Here's the truth about side hustles. Most of them are garbage. You'll spend 3 months on something that pays you $2 an hour, or you'll fall into the trap of waiting 6 months for passive income that never comes. I'm not here to sell you false hope. What I'm here to do is show you 5 side hustles that actually work. With real numbers, real timelines, and real money you can make this month. These aren't theories. These are opportunities people are using right now to add serious cash to their bank account while keeping their day job. Let's start with freelance writing, because if you can write, even just okay, this is money sitting on the table. Platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and specialized sites like Mediavine and Contently connect you directly with clients paying between $45 and $150 per hour. A beginner typically lands $0.05 to $1.15 per word, which sounds low until you realize a 2,000-word article pays a $100 to $300. Once you build a portfolio and get reviews, you're jumping to $0.50 to $1 per word. I know people making yaws to wipe a monthly from this alone, and they work 20 to 30 hours a week. The barrier to entry is zero. You literally start today. Number 2 is virtual assistant work. Companies are drowning in administrative tasks they don't want to do. Email management, scheduling, data entry, customer service. Virtual assistants charge between 18 and 30 feet per hour. And honestly, you can start at the lower end and work your way up as you prove you're reliable. The beautiful part, reliability is literally half the battle. If you show up on time, do what you say you'll do, and communicate clearly, clients will keep hiring you and referring you. Most people working as a VA are doing 15 to 30 hours weekly and making $2,000 to $4,000 per month. You don't need any special certification. You just need to be organized and professional. Number 3 is content creation. And yes, I'm talking about YouTube, TikTok, or building an email list. This one's different because the money is slow at first. You might spend 2 months with 0 revenue. But once you hit 1,000 subscribers on YouTube, you unlock monetization. And suddenly your videos are generating $100 to $1,500 monthly, depending on your niche. Scale to 10,000 subscribers, and you're looking at a $1,000 to $5,000 monthly from ads alone. Add sponsorships and affiliate links, and these numbers triple. The catch is time. You need to be consistent for months before you see real money. But if you're willing to show up 2 or 3 times weekly for 6 months, this scales into genuine passive income. This is the long game, but it's worth mentioning because the ceiling is unlimited. Number 4 is selling skill-based services. You have something people will pay for: graphic design, video editing, social media management, coaching, resume writing. These aren't passive, but the rates are genuinely high. A graphic designer charges $50 to $200 per project. Video editors pull $75 to $300 per video. Coaches charge $50 to $500 per hour, depending on expertise. The advantage here is leverage. You can charge premium rates because the work has tangible, immediate value. Most people in this category work 10 to 25 hours weekly and make $2,000 to $7,000 monthly. Your income is directly tied to your skill level and how well you market yourself. Number 5 is online tutoring or teaching. If you speak English, understand math, or have expertise in anything from programming to music, platforms like Chegg, Tutor.com, Wyzant, and Care.com connect you with students. Tutors make $20 to $80 per hour, depending on subject and platform. Online English teaching through platforms like VIP Kid or Cambly can pay $14 to $22 per hour, and demand is genuinely high because international students need this service. You can work around your schedule, 2 hours today, 5 hours Saturday. Most tutors pull $400 to $2,000 monthly, working flexibly. This is perfect if you want complete control over your time. Now, here's the one mistake I see killing people's side hustles. They quit too early, or they're not being strategic about their time. A side hustle only works if it actually fits into your life without burning you out. Pick one. Don't try all 5 at once. Give it 8 to 12 weeks minimum before deciding it's not working. And be honest about your effort. Most people say they're building a side hustle, but spend 3 hours a week on it. That won't work. If you want real money, commit 4 to 10 hours weekly minimum. That's the trade-off. The money is real, but it requires real effort. Pick the side hustle that matches your skills and schedule. Commit to it properly, and you'll have legitimate extra income within weeks or months. That's not a promise. That's what actually happens when you execute. Like this video. If this helped you see past the BS, subscribe for real money advice that actually works, and drop a comment telling me which one you're trying first.